I've been in your waters. I'm looking for sure. I've never been so close before.
Good morning, guys. So yeah, what I just did was you saw me deliver first load of topsoil. Stone Etc. They're an awesome landscape company based out of Ottawa. They ordered about 6 triaxle loads off me, and then another company just called and they ordered about 2 or 3 more triaxles. So you guys are gonna come along with me for the day to deliver some topsoil. I don't normally get in the truck and do it, but we're so busy right now that all my other truck drivers are out busy. So I think Al's gonna come around the pile here, throw some topsoil on me, and we're gonna get this Monday kick started. Yo! Load number 1, done. We got this second load loaded up here. I'm gonna haul her down and get things rolling. Yeah, we're selling a crazy amount of soil, like I say in every video. We're staying busy at it. It's going really good. Super happy with everything. The soil quality is great. The soil's getting less saturated as things are drying out because, you know, sometimes it's hard to forget it's just the beginning of June right now. We still have a whole summer of dry to kind of dry out all the rest of the soil. But I'm happy we kind of got through that wet season in a good way, and we found some dry material and kept all our customers happy, so that's the main thing. Oh man, you know, I love these sunny mornings. These sunny Monday mornings are the best mornings to get topsoil out. As you guys maybe can see, coming that direction, just some dark looking clouds. Hopefully they're not holding rain with them. But I haven't had enough coffee this morning, my mouth's dry, so I guess I'll get some water. Because I can't really take off and go get coffee. Ah. All right, back to work. All right, load number 3, good to go. Let's get back on the road. You can load me up with another load of that fine topsoil there, Al. 10-4, bud. 10-4. All right, so Steph ended up finishing up the float moves. As you can see, the float's back. 170's out of the yard. That's a beautiful thing to see. 308's back in the yard, but it's actually leaving this afternoon. So Steph's gonna pick up on my deliveries that I had right now. So that leaves me to have time to get another coffee. We are headed. All right. You guys need to comment down below telling me to shut up with the all rights. Okay, so I'm wearing my hood and I look like the Grim Reaper because it's raining and that's my mood and that's how I feel right now. I gotta go see Gabby because, quick thing, shout out to Brandon. Not gonna say your last name because that's probably too personal, but Brandon, you know who you are. You're the first person to buy merch from us through our website. That is unreal. I want to thank everybody who bought merch, and if you haven't bought merch, the link is in the description, or I'll put it right here. Head over there, check out our merch. Currently only selling to Canada because the shipping to the States was crazy, but if you truly, really want something from us and you live in the States, shoot me an email. If you go to Instagram, you can hit the email button. It goes right to my email. Or you can figure out even my cell phone number if you really guys wanted. But thank you and shout out to everybody who ordered merch through us. I appreciate it. We got to go see Gabby to fulfill that order. It's currently still raining. It's Monday. Let's get after it. Side note, I'm not allowed to film and look at you guys anymore because my mom watched the videos and she goes, it really scares me whenever you're filming yourself going down the road because you're not looking at the road. So I agree with her. There's a cop pulling out. See ya. My mom doesn't actually sound like a 92-year-old woman. That was just me. All right, so I got Gabby with me. We're headed into Walmart right now because we're actually going to a, where is it, Nokia event? We're going to a Nokia event this Thursday and we need some tablecloth stuff and some bins to put our topsoil in because what we're doing is actually just putting our topsoil on display and giving the people, the employees at Nokia, a little bit of a discount and to gain some exposure to our topsoil. So that's why we're in Walmart right now doing that. So let's get this done and then hopefully Al's making up some beautiful topsoil. All right, a little bit of a switch of pace right now. Truck here, all the guys are here. We're doing another septic. This is the access, temporary access that we built in. Got a little 6-inch PVC down there for a little culvert. Was where the truck's been driving in. And we're working down in here. See how the guys, we got Perry back, truck driver that used to work with us. See how he likes the camera. Got our Western Star tandem. Got the 170 excavator working here. Things are going good. Look at that beast, look at the new decal. Decals look good, job looks nice and clean. Harry, you're running away. Corey's here. How's the job going?
It's moving.
Yeah?
Yeah, moving along.
What kind of system are we doing here?
It's filter media, so a little different from the last system we used. A little different sand, more of a conventional stone, 3-inch perforated pipe, and a circle. Beauty.
All right, so we got Ken. He's in the skid steer right now. Cody, he's in the 170, and this is actually Cody's first job? First job on the in the 170, so he's doing a good job, I heard.
He's doing well.
Yeah, slow and steady, but he can only get better, he can only improve, so it's good. Fucking Perry. That's Perry, he don't want to be on camera. All right, I'm headed out right now. Just met all the guys, they're all happy. Guys, you're watching this, you guys freaking rock. Okay, I got to meet a customer at the yard. He actually is a fan of the YouTube. Chad, if you're watching this, what's going on, buddy? I'm about to meet him for the first time. Let's go do that. What's going on, guys? So it's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon and Al's still screening up some beautiful soil that we actually have just been hauling into here, and he's just been making it up and putting it right in the screener. Going good. We got a nice big pile made up here now. Al's screening like a madman. We got all the rejects, made a nice little ramp for the rejects to go up and dump. And the thing with the rejects is it's not just wasted material. The reject stuff I actually can after about a year of it sitting and being flipped once or twice, I can then resell it and put it back through the screener next year, and it turns into good soil. Because most of the reject stuff, I mean, there's small pebbles and rocks, and those will get screened out again. But the main thing with the rejects is it's just kind of balled up, harder material. So the beginning of the season, stuff's more wet, more saturated. Once that dries out, it's just perfect soil, ready to get rescreened. So we're doing all that. We got a shipment that Gabby's taking to the post office for our merch release. I know I'm not plugging the merch again, but if you want it there, guys, go to our website. And shout out to CSL Contracting. He just came here and dropped off a load of junk that he just dropped off here, and had a really good conversation with him. So Chad, appreciate the business, man. You're a really good guy, and hopefully, you know, it's a business relationship that lasts a little while. But I got some indoor office paperwork to do. I'm gonna get that done, and we'll see you guys hopefully another couple hours, 6 o'clock, when we shut everything down for the day and everyone goes home to their families. All right, catch you later. All right, so it's 6 o'clock. Told you guys that I would see you at 6 o'clock. Oh, I got something on the screen. Okay, now you can see me better. So, day's not over just because work's done. We gotta promote the message that just because work's over, it doesn't have to be over, you know? You can work after work and take steps to improve your health mentally and physically. And for me, that's running. So the last bit of this is going to be me running. Enjoy the hyperlapse of my loop around carp. All right, guys, so I made it to my favorite spot that I like coming running to every night. Guess it's not a secret spot anymore, but if you're local in the area and you want to go running and go to the Diefenbunker, Canada's Cold War Museum, hit me up and let's go for a run, because I'm always down to run with people, and I think that's awesome to get more people motivated out and running. But that all being said, guys, you know what? I'm gonna finish up this run and that'll pretty much wrap up my day. So if you watched the entire video, I appreciate you guys. Stay tuned for lots more content. Make sure you're hitting that subscribe button. Make sure you're hitting the thumbs up button and heading over to our Instagram at KWC2000, because I post a lot of exclusive content on there. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. It's time to get running. No, guys, I didn't forget about you true patriots of the channel that watched the entire video right to the very end, right now. So, if you are doing that and you're one of the true patriots of the channel that are watching right now, comment down below, run, Forrest, run. Because that's what I feel like whenever I'm running down these roads at night. I just keep going, I'm running like Forrest. Thanks for tuning in on another episode of Kenway Construction. I appreciate you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.